this duck wants to kill the damn dog. Look at this. We think that the duck's actually trying to mate with the dog. We're pretty sure, but I hope not. And they'll sit there and go at this for like half an hour or so before the duck will finally get tired or the dog will finally get sick of it and dog's biting the duck back. But eventually they'll stop, but it takes a while. Duck's getting tired, I can see. Get off that duck. Duck got tired of it, so he jumped in his pool. Never mind. Can you believe this crap? Still going at it. Oh. Ralph, that's enough. Good boy, come here. This is the evil little thing right here. This is my pet Ralph. Come here.